How to create an e-commerce in Godaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how simple it is to create an e-commerce store into your Godaddy favorite website builder. So it is going to be very simple, very easy. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over godaddy.com. Then you're going to head over the websites and hosting. Select from here website builder and you're going to get this landing page. Now what are we going to do is to click on sign in this case. As you can see, we have the name of our account right there. So you need basically an account on it, and then we are going to click on my products. If you have already or you are familiar with the creation of websites with a GoDaddy builder, you're going to see here the websites that you have created already. If not, you're going to get the option to create it right away. So you are going to get this set up a free website. So basically, in your case, if it is your first time using GoDaddy, you are going to get this one. So this is the page that you are going to get. Now, you are going to answer some few questions, so you are going to get the features that you are going to need into your website. So what are some features, I mean, your website needs? So sell with an online store, book appointments, or something else. So we are going to check the sell with an online store. You can go ahead and select two choices, but in my case, we are going only to create an e-commerce, and that is going to be sell with an online store. Click on continue. Now to the next step or the next question, what kind of business do you have? So basically we are going to choose or search for the category that we are in. So if you are on the clothing, you're going to type in clothing, for example, and then you're going to see the suggestions. So you can go ahead and select one of these suggestions that are going to be right there and put it in yours, for example, or electronics, for example, like that. So we're going to see also electronic store, e-commerce. So why not choose e-commerce? So we are going to put some e-commerce. So basically the e-commerce is going to be here multiple, let's say selling product websites. So we are going to sell multiple a type or category of products. We can go ahead and sell some clothing, electronics, whatever. So we are going to select here e-commerce. Click on right there, continue. Now, what are we going to call our business? So for example, Jack, for example, store, something like that. Then we are going to click on continue. Now, tell us a little about your business. So you are going to put a little description about your business if you are going to care about that. And the AI of GoDaddy, which is called Iro, will make some modification to the descriptions and also the text placement of your website and put some, let's say, generated description or generated quotas to put it into your website. You can go ahead and skip this step and head over the creation of your website. Now we are going to wait for the building of our website or the e-commerce store of ours, and it will be showing up right there. So this is our e-commerce store. What are we going to do now is to set up some customization to it and publish it. Now we are going to get the plan or choosing a plan for our, as you can see, account. We can go ahead and get a plan for it. So in case or not for that case, but I mean, you need to set up the plan because without a plan, your website will be expired. So now after we have selected, I'm going to start with free or continue with free. We are going to see here the sections that we would like on our to see on our website. So you are going to get here a list of suggested right there sections. We have the about section. You can go ahead and see it right there, for example. And we have the featured products. As you can see, we have the photo gallery. We can see it that it is going to be a little bit like It's not a slider, but we can add a slider later. You can have the contact, social links, subscribe. This is for the subscription or sign up as for the newsletters or something like that. The online store is something that will be acquired automatically. Privacy policy, return and refunds policy, introduction if you want. So I'm going to add an introduction. Featured categories, content, for example. We're going to add this, for example, for the content, blogs, or whatever. And buttons are going to be here, some useful buttons or useful links. I'm going to click on continue to my website after I have selected all the elements or the sections that I need. And here, GoDaddy will go ahead and organize them. So I will ignore the tour and let you see here the result of our work. So as you can see, we have here uh, the logo. This is not a logo, but a text logo. You can go ahead and upload a real logo by clicking on or clicking here first to the specific case like this, and other option right there, upload a real logo. So you can go ahead and modify your text right there. When you finish, you're going to click on done. Now, for this specific cover media on the header, we have a cover media which is going to be this one. And we have some text. As you can see, we can navigate and set up the headline and the paragraph setup here. For the headline, it is going to be like a title. We're going to put it like this. It is transform your home with Jack Store. So you can go ahead and modify all that text. For the paragraph, which is going to be a little description here, it is going to contain right there let's say the resume of the let's say promotional campaign that is going on about a product or a new arrival or whatever you are going to set. And the button shop now, you are going to see it here. So when you click on the button, we have shop now. We're going to click on the drop down menu or arrow. You're going to see it is an actual action button. So you can go ahead and set up the action button style or edit the style from here, or also set up the label of it. So you are going to link it to a page, a website URL, or whatever you want. So you can go ahead and set the page, for example. Also, this is the link to and the page, which is right there, and a section on the page if you want. You're going to see it here. That was for the first one. So obviously you are going to get here, let's say a client sign in or a admin sign in page. For the clients, we have the cart icon. Also, we have a search bar. We have the home, and also we have the shop, as you can see. So when you click on shop, it will recommend for you to create your store. So either you are going to add the products manually, or you can go ahead and add a image and let the GoDaddy AI use or IRO use the power of it to generate, for example, here description, title, and whatever you want for it. So you can go ahead and create your store and put it right away. For adding the product manually, you have here two options. Either it is going to be a downloadable content like a digital product or a physical product. So here it is going to be dependent on the cases or the spaces that you are going to fill, like the name of the product, the images, description, the price, the product category, the inventory of it, the shipping, if it is a physical product, and some extra details like this one. So I'm going to cancel that. Now we are going back to the home page, and here we have all the sections that we have added. You can basically click on any kind of section and modify it. For example, you can go ahead and see that we have this specific image slider, or it is going to be resembling to an image slider. You can go ahead and put some zoom in, zoom out, some effects, or some shape of that specific area. You can go ahead and do whatever you want from here. You can set up an autoplay to make a slider like this, the time and everything. Now for the site navigation, which is going to be here, the website, you're going to get the pages right there and control them. For the theme, you are going to modify the colors of the websites, the fonts, and the buttons. And for the settings, you're going to click on here to publish your website and see some other information like the basic information, the social media links, the favicons, get found on Google by setting up the Google Merchant Center or the, let's say here, the Google Analytics and etc. So I'm going to click on view site to see the live version of that specific website or the e-commerce store that we have built. So everything is here. You can go ahead and modify anything that you want from the editor right there. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.